You give us alright. Good morning, everybody here. Today we are going to discuss about communication skills. What is communication? Okay, we have a clear idea about the communication. Communication means transferring a data one person to another person. That is called communication. Your way of feelings, thoughts, emotions, whatever it may be, you are conveying. Right here, you are encoding and the other person is decoding that message. That is called communication. Let us see, right? Okay, the abbreviation. Communication, nature and process is types. Okay, what is the meaning of communication? Right here, it is a very essential thing here in BTech. You want to improve yourself. Everywhere they are asking now, you have good communication skills or not. That's why you improve your communication skills, right? So the word of communication has been derived from the Latin word. Which word, ma? Latin. Communicare. Right here. What is that? Communicare, which means to share. What we do here? Share means you are sharing your feels. Okay, your feelings, emotions, thoughts. You are sharing with others. That is called communication. In Latin word, that is called communicare. Right here. So communication may therefore be defined the process of sharing or exchanging. What you are exchanging here? Information, your thoughts, right here. So ideas, thoughts, feelings and emotions between two or more persons. What they are saying, ma? Two or more persons you are going to share. That is called communication, right here. Process of communication. The communication process consists the following elements, right here. What is that, ma? See, if you observe here, the communication process, okay, what will first do, ma? Sender. Sender means you. What will happen here? You are encoding, you are going to create the message, right here. And after the message means noise, whatever syllable, sound, right here. So after what is happening? Decoding. Who is decoding, ma? Receiver, right here. And again coming to the feedback to the sender. See, in this part, in this diagram, you can understand very clearly how the communication is happening in a very clear manner. So what you are doing, sender is doing, okay, encoding, right here. Encoding, after the noise, message is going to decode the receiver, again getting the feedback, right here. So clear way you can understand now. Sender means sender is a person who initiates the process communication. The sender may be a speaker or a writer, see, an actor, a painter. See, different ways you are going to communicate yourself. So it plays a major role, a very important role in your life. So encoding. Here you are going to create, see, the process of converting the message into words, symbols, pictures, right? Okay, etc. is called encoding. Means you are going to create what you need to express, right? And message, that is the information. The message means whatever be communicated, it is the heart of communication process. It is a main important thing, right here. That is plays a major role, that is called a message. What you are going to give the information. Next, channel means that is a medium through which the message is sent is called a channel. Maybe speech, right here, a letter, an email, right, SMS, gestures, sounds, etc. These are all comes from the channel, the medium. Right, next receiver. Who is the receiver, ma? Other person, right here. The person to whom the message sent to the receiver may be listener or reader or a viewer. That is also very important thing, right here. Receiver, you need to understand your language, right here. So the person whom the message is sent is the receiver, and the receiver may be listener, maybe reader or viewer also, right here. So feedback. The reaction or response, the message is called feedback. So you post right here, you spoke the information right here. You are given. After that, how he is going to respond? How you can know? When he give a feedback, then only you can understand. Now I am saying class. After listening my class, you will understand whether you understand or not. Right here. That is called feedback. Right here. So noise. Any disturbance, hurdle or barrier in the middle. See, when the class is going on, some students are mischievously making a noise and chanting. That is also one kind of disturbance, right here. Okay, noise, any disturbance, hurdle or barrier of communication means it is a abstraction to the communication is called a noise. Types of communications, you understand right here. So communication of several types may be classified as communication follows right here. Communication on the channel basis, verbal communication is there, non-verbal communication, a visual audio type communication also is there, and here see on the basis of the purpose type, formal and informal communication.